It's here. 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 Be careful with that, you motherfucker. I wish I knew you wanted me. Thank you. Welcome. We'll be back. Alright. I'm falling. I always start the clip. Ew, my hair starts. I can't speak. I always start the clip like a lot sooner than I should. But that's okay. Alright, so these ones, I got these flares from, well, now you guys know the kit. I got these flares from Forceworks out in Cali. The last kit I had was from the original Carlton guy or whatever. I don't think so. From what I've read on forums and everything, it's kind of hard to get your hands on an original pair of the Carlton since it was so long ago. I'm not too sure the real true story on it, but that's just what I heard. So, you know, we're gonna see how good these are. So, I mean, I talked to a couple of guys on Instagram who had the Forceworks. I say a couple, but it was like one person. But he liked them, so that's the kit we're going with. And I'll explain while we're doing flares again. Package really nice. The box doesn't look damaged, so I typically want to see more of the rears. Look, I think it's really. I truly wonder if they ever are built to order or whatever, or if they just have them laying around. Alright, these came great. The last couple of sets I've had came, one set came black, and then the other set was like white. Nah, I think it was black again, I'm not sure. But, I mean, I'm gonna need a lot of prep work. This is passenger side. Other than that, they feel pretty. They're more flexible than the other flares I've had. So, I mean, that's a plus. Honestly, these feel a lot better. I'll be honest, and this is like coming from someone who got their package like way later than they were supposed to. Like, they look and feel pretty legit. When I say that, I mean they just feel legit. I don't know, like they don't feel. I mean, it's obviously fiberglass, so it's not like, I don't know what I'm trying to get at right now, but and they still fit funky. Nice. God, I hate fiberglass. I don't know, guys. I like the way they feel. Actually, we can compare them. See what I mean? Like, flexibility. Oops. This is the other ones, anyways. I don't know. They almost look identical. And I want to say they kind of are. It's the same flare. What am I talking about? Old. These are the new. But it still fits the same. So flares up to like Kel's car fit amazing. I look like a buffoon with my hair looking like this. And then we got some fenders locally. We're gonna go pick them up. These are the fronts. I'm not even gonna open it. Boomerangs. And then when I say boomerangs, it's these. These are the boomerangs. I've said it before. If you guys have watched the previous videos when I tried doing the flares, these are the, excuse me, boomerangs. I had hiccup. Pop that in. Good to know. If you're buying flares from anybody, or these type of set of flares, Forceworks and Carlton. I think my first ever set was from Subi Mods. Not Subi Mods. I don't even remember. Something like that, but they're all the same if you guys are curious. Ask me how I know. Well, I've bought 3 different kits. So they were all the same. Even from the original guy. They duplicated these enough. don't even know where to put this, guys. I have a mess. Honestly, I think we're just gonna clip to where we're picking up these fenders. See what the fuck is up?
The fuck is up, guys?
What are you doing? We got the fenders! Let's go! They're blue, but they're gonna be cut anyways, but... How long did it take us to get up here?
2.5 hours.
And then how long back?
Another 2.5 hours.
Alright, let's go. Oh, we also got Kel's, these. They're like the OEM flares. We also picked those up while we were coming up here. Alright, time to head home.
Cock and ball torture.
Do you want to tell them where we're going?
We are going to go pick up some fenders.
Oh shit, it's creepy.
You're gonna hear it. Yep.
It's the daily, guys. It's the daily. Okay, why are we getting fenders again?
I don't know.
What? How do you not remember why?
Put them back on your fucking car?
No! Why are we getting these even though we got the other ones?
Oh, yeah, because the other ones are wagon fenders. These are sedan fenders. Because Mister doesn't know how to look correctly before he comes and drives an hour and a half away.
We went you guys saw, we went 2 hours there, 2 hours back.
Oh, I thought it was an hour and a half.
So 4 hours, guys. We went 4 hours for some fenders that are...
Didn't even, I mean, they fit, but they look weird.
They're narrow fenders. So if it wasn't for Andrew and Brendan, who would have told me that, I honestly wouldn't have known because they fit perfectly fine, but it's the shape, so... Fortunately, we're making another trip closer.
Thank God.
And I wish I would have fucking posted first asking if anybody had fenders lying around, because now, you know, this would have saved us a whole ass trip.
Time.
God damn it!
Money. Gas.
Anything else?
Nothing.
Now we sit in silence. We're back. I was gonna show you guys these. You guys can't even see it. Alright, so we're back. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between these fenders and the ones that I went 4 hours to get. Here's this fender, right? The 4-hour fender that we went to go get. And then here is the WRX ones. But these ones are the WRX ones. You can tell by the extra fold they have. I wanted these because I really liked the body line, the extra body line these have. But these are still pretty cool because it's flat and it doesn't have it. I'm gonna put an old flare on this one and see what it looks like, because when I mocked up the flare to it, it doesn't push out as far compared to when the flares are onto this one. The flare would push up on here because it already has like that extra thickness. But I will put this one up so you can see. Set you guys down. I think next we're gonna send these off to Anthony. I'm gonna have him mold and do everything to these fenders. Yeah, we're gonna peel the wrap off for him though, and then I'm gonna cut them, and then we'll send them off to Anthony so that way Anthony can mold them and take all these dents out and make them as pristine and pretty, because we want it to look pretty this time. I don't cheap stuff. I've also been thinking about getting some new rear doors, because they're a little flexed due to when they were molding it. Ouch. Yeah, due to when they were molding it, it got heated up pretty good. This one's not as bad, actually. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. I just really want this car to be done very well this time. I don't want anything looking half-assed or looking bad, or you can just see the imperfections. I want this thing top tier this time, guys. So yeah, this next clip we're gonna start cutting these fenders and getting them ready so they can be molded. Yeah. I threw up in my mouth. You know, I find myself very funny, very, very funny, because now I'm scared to cut into this car, but the first time I wasn't. So anyways, I got this fender on. I took the wrap off this one. It fits nice. I put some bolts on it. We got it. We had to air the car up a bit, but now we just got to cut this fender and get this flare to sit. The only issue I have right now is that I can't do this myself. I need one more person to help me do this, because one person needs to like stretch it out, the flare, and then I'm gonna use tap screws for now, and then I'll use riv nuts and all that other stuff, so that way we can start actually getting the 2 front fenders done. The rear we haven't touched since the last update video we did for you guys, which was episode 3 or part 3, same thing. But yeah, we haven't touched the rear since then. I still need to cut into this section of the rear right there, and then it should be good for like the other side. The other side's done pretty much. Just need to get it tack welded or tacked up, seam sealed and everything else, and then we should be good. I'm tired of holding the camera like this. My bad. It's just a force of habit. I guess not. Okay. Anyways, Kel's here to help me with the fenders because I can't do it by myself. I don't have 4 sets of hands, but we're gonna align this, pop some self-tapping screws through them, just so it stays aligned, so that way I can make a mark, and we can cut these, and so that way they sit better than the other fenders did. So yeah, that's the plan of attack right now. Kel looks very ecstatic to be here. Okay, are you ready?
No.
Are you ready? We can't mess up.
I said no.
I look like a crackhead in these rebuilding videos. I am so nervous. Okay. Can you come hold the flare over here? I should get a bench or something. Alright, stretch it out a little bit.
That shit was gay. Bro, that nigga was gay.
That would hurt. If this video gets 50 likes, since we don't get likes at all, I'll put a drill bit through Kel's butt like this. Stop. Hold, please, sir.
Okay, dude, whatever. Fuck.
Not that much.
Okay, dude, I wasn't even knowing it.
Alright. Alright, you hold that nice and tight right there, alright? It's not funny, dude.
Joe, hold through the fender.
Give me a kiss.
Fuck no.
I just saved myself $150. Shoo! Hey! That looks pretty mint if you ask me. I actually like how it fits. I ain't gonna cap. If any young pretty ladies, blonde, what's your preferred height?
Like 5'1".
If you're 5'1", blonde out there, okay. Never mind. Oh yeah.
Any girls that like fast finger movement, let me know.
Say something. Fuck. God, this is such a tight fit. Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust. Hey, but you know what they say? Oh wait, never mind. I was gonna say spitters are quitters, but I'm spitting, so that makes me a quitter. But I don't suck dick, so good thing. Pretty mint, eh? Oh, she better be ready after tonight with my finger training. Good thing she doesn't watch the videos. Shoo! That looks good, Kel. God damn! No, with your actual hand, you lucky charm. Alright, final test. Do I attempt to air out on this? Let me turn my Walmart battery on.
Now I got hoes, I got 20,000 freaks, yeah.
Alright, so honestly, it's been a couple of days since you guys have seen that last clip, or the last clips of these fenders. That was the main purpose of this video, was the fenders. I have came to the conclusion I am just going to buy new fenders. Not because they don't fit or anything like that. Personally, like I said previously in the video, I want everything to be like pretty perfect on this car this time, and I don't want anything to be like looking ugly, even though majority of the time you won't be able to see it or anybody else won't be able to see it. But just the fact of me knowing it's there is really gonna bug me, so I'm really picky about that. So I just decided I'm gonna go ahead and just purchase some new fenders. Like example A, these are just kind of rusted, a little bit beat up. So yeah, it has nothing to do with how they were cut or anything. I've just decided that we're just going to get new fenders just so I can avoid having to try and do body work on these or anything like that. So that way we can just get the new fenders, cut them, mold them, and then we should be able to wrap them. So that will save us a lot of time and a lot of like stress on trying to find every little dent or imperfection on these used fenders. So yeah, I just decided we're just going to get new fenders. So if you guys like today's video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm sorry we didn't post a video this last Saturday. We have some good content coming out for you guys, so make sure to not miss it. Turn those post notifications on. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a ton. And if you guys didn't subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of July. I have something pretty crazy that we're gonna do, and along with you guys will get something to the first 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, that'll conclude today's video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.